Welcome back, Scallywags. Here we are. This is our additional classroom space. It's Marine Tech Mike, and I am here with Mike Reese. And this is a video about what we do here at Skagit Valley College with our professional trainings.
Yeah.
So, you know, we got this professional canvas coming up, and can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to be teaching?
Yeah, Skagit Valley College offers a number of professional courses with the tech program and everything else. And one of the things we like to do and have done the last couple of years in the summer is a professional marine canvas course. So it is a 2-week course, takes place in mid-July every year. And today we were here kind of getting ready for the upcoming event and thought we'd shoot a little video of that, but yeah, that's what we do. 2-week class, really cover everything from the industrial machines, an example of which I think is right behind us, getting people familiar with that, and then take them all the way through the process of how to work the machines, how to do upholstery, boat covers, all that kind of stuff. Enclosures, which is a big subject.
Right. Bending
for
pipe.
People here. We do, yeah. Second
like
week,
that part.
We actually bend frames and get a chance to use two different types of benders, so people get a sense of how that the options that are out there for them and how that might work.
We're so lucky to have you teaching other professional classes and our canvas. You've been in the industry, you've run canvas shops, so you are willing to share that with anybody who's wanting to get into the industry.
You bet. I love sharing what I know. And
plenty of jobs, right? What about this space? What can you tell me about? This was your creation, right?
Yeah.
You sat down and thought about what you needed to teach the class, and so what do we got here?
And I'm excited by this space because, you know, we've done it the last couple of years, and we've always had to sort of make do with the space and all that, and this is really a great opportunity. We have a nice large space here. We have 6 industrial machines that'll be set up. We'll also have, for those who want to take and may have a sailrite machine and they want to get in the business with more of a portable option, we'll have a couple of those available for them as well. But we have workstations set up for each person. They've got an in-feed table and an out-feed, lots of work surfaces to work on their projects. A couple of layout or cutting tables are also set up mid-room, a workshop here for people to learn and get used to how it all works.
I like this space. So there'll be plenty of hands-on, obviously, if you're getting into this industry, but you've got all the technical information to project and help and get them in. So fantastic. We've got a lot of information on our website. It's hard to get it all out at once. So mostly we have this professional classes, and by the way, we do have boat owners that take these for sure, right? They want to come in and get this knowledge and be able to do all their own canvas work and save a ton of money and the pride of doing it yourself. I think it's great, clean work. I love canvas, so I've been doing that and whatnot. So get to our website, check us out. We got lots of information, whether it's marine canvas, whether you want to do some weekend programming, electrical, you name it, marine surveying. Skagit Valley College here, we're one of the few places in the entire West Coast that offers this level of training. So super fun.
Good deal.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.